If you guys have inquiry disputes and you're trying to remove inquiries from your credit reports, you guys can mail those inquiry letters directly to the credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Sometimes you guys are going to have inquiry letters that you want to send directly to the company. And if you want to send it directly to the company, then you definitely can mail it to whatever address that the credit bureaus have listed for that company. You can mail it directly to them. But you guys are going to find that you're going to have a lot of success by mailing it to the credit bureaus. So go ahead and mail it to the credit bureaus. And two, sometimes you just want to call the credit bureaus and see if you can get it deleted by phone too. That's a great option and it's very fast. If you are not able to do that, then go the mailing route. But you should find the address to the credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian online. And then also the address to the companies, you can find that actually listed on your credit reports.